Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai.
We're packed. We're ready to go. Look at the little baby. We're on our way to Seattle. We're going on a flight. I did half my makeup, but I'm gonna finish right now in the car. But let me show you. Are you ready to meet your family?
Yeah, ready to baby. So it's 11:40 a.m. and now we stopped at Burger King to eat something, and then we are 30 minutes away from the airport. Hold on.
Okay, Papa.
She takes forever.
To adjust it for a big head. Oh, look at Papa. Look at Papa. Look at Papa.
Put your photo, babe. Put your photo right there.
This is Audrey's breath in the morning. Whenever he opens his mouth, that's what comes out.
Aisha comes out of him.
And then this is
Right,
Audrey.
that's what you
This
said?
is Audrey.
Alright, so next we're gonna go to the airport and take the flight.
Let me try one. We're here in line. We're getting checked in. Checking in.
Alright, Mariah.
Be careful.
See you later.
Bye.
Say bye. So guys, now we're done with the boarding.
Do you see
TSA.
my hair?
TSA and
like
check-in.
the craziest.
And the whole thing, we have so many bags. And now we're going to our gate, which is,
S.
we're not gonna tell.
Why not? S.
Privacy.
Doors closing. Please stand clear. Please hold. Exit for S gate. Remain on board for B and A.
The store.
All the way straight. Jara. Oh wait. Ajay. He's so fat. He loves to eat.
Bag 2 and get bag 2 you get 3 but this one gallon is $12 for one and if you buy
Bro,
You always like go big, go home.
I'm thirsty. I can't even push you around. We're both stuck. Embarrassing. This is such a cute little thing. Oh, there's more things here. When I first came here, babe, there was nothing. Hey, we should try this thing. This boba thing. Look, they have more different things. Look, cocoa sago, guava green tea, strawberry lemonade, blue raspberry lemonade, jasmine tea, almond teas, mochi. There's so much cute little things here.
I'm still recording.
I know.
So Aisha's gonna buy this.
I don't know what to buy though.
Oh, then let's go.
All right, I know what to buy. Ugly.
Jara got his water bottle. Let me see.
Should we buy these choco mushrooms? How much are the choco
How about
mushrooms?
this?
Let's buy
See, I
these
don't
choco
have-
mushrooms. Maybe our gate is literally right there, so we don't really have to go there yet, but.
So the time is 2:40, 2:50, and now we're gonna go check in the stroller that we had. Stroller cum scooter. Yeah, we're gonna start checking in. Boarding.
I'm gonna give my baby
We're gonna
some
start boarding.
medicine.
All right. We'll see you guys at the plane. So finally we boarded, and Jara got his show to leave.
Well, because I was skipping it.
Yeah. And we all settled. Hopefully,
This is the front.
hopefully
First
nobody's
class
sitting.
Economy.
Hopefully nobody's sitting over here, so we can get the.
We're in first class economy.
So the happy
Like having
trip
a little baby thing.
for if you're traveling with a baby.
And then if booking
Duh.
so cute.
So far, nobody's here.
But it's just a little bag. That's like another bag to carry.
I told her not to carry so many bags, but she said she's gonna carry 3 bags, one over here, and one she's gonna show. Guess who ended up carrying all of them? And I knew that. Already. So the update, Sarah got a fever.
Yeah, Jared got
was
sick on the
bad.
flight and he vomited all over me.
Smelled like
So we're in a whole new outfit.
It was a good experience for the first time. But anyways, this is what my breakfast looked like. Wheat, scrambled egg.
Ajay's cutting the damn sausage 1 inch by 1 inch. Ajay, the freaking sausage total is like 3 inches. Just put it in your mouth, Ajay.
We both have table manners.
Look at my table manners, just still waiting for me to eat it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dubai, where the local time is
Right. We're locked and loaded. So, we arrived in Dubai. All right. Let's go. I think it's right here, babe. Right here. We didn't have to go so far. Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll start right here. I'll leave for our flight.
One bag. Okay. Are you excited to meet Hugo? I wanted to put it on him. Well. Oh, right there. I think we go. I don't know where's the exit at. Oh, it's right there, huh? Oh, they're right here, but we gotta go over there for. Or there's another duty free somewhere. Same. How you doing, baby? What happened? Why my baby is not feeling good? Still got that fever though. Why I'm nervous? Give me my own time.
Daddy! Oh my god.
Let's go over there. Look at Jara. What?
Hello.
Jara. Hey, बढ़िया how are you? बढ़िया.
Daddy!
It's too dang hot already, man. It's too dang hot already, huh? Myra, look at the camera. I got the camera, I'm recording you. Oh, wow. Jara, oh, wow.
Oh, my brother came.
Oh, why haven't he? Why Myra is like.
Getting emotional.
So now we're going back to the hotel. Now we're going to the hotel. We're gonna check in and we're gonna sleep for a night. But that was say hello.
Hello.
Baby, come to Dubai.
Don't say that I said.
ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਵਿਖਾ ਆਏ ਸੀ ਨਾ ਪਹਿਲੇ.
Papa is touching your bag.
ਇਹ ਐਵੇਂ ਸਡਨਲੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਸਿੰਪਟਮਸ ਆਉਂਦੇ
So we just came back from hospital because Jara decided to get sick, like really sick. They said everything is good. He does have a congestion and he wasn't able to breathe right all of a sudden, and we had to take him to emergency. I had a layover so I can rest over here for a night, but couldn't even sleep. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. Alright, see you guys in the next video.